Based on my food and nutrition experience, I learned that a pH level above 7 can and should keep us as human being healthy. It's a great tool for me because if I ever feel like I'm not feeling good today or I'm not feeling good tonight, the first thing that I will do is get a pH strip and I would test my pH level to see where it is. Once I do that and I realize that my pH level is above 7, then I eliminate many things because I also know that it is pretty hard for disease or bacteria to strive into a human body with a pH level that is above 7. And as most of us know, or some of us know, that bacteria mainly strive in acidic body or acidic environment. So I encourage everyone that I get a chance to talk to, or to all of my subscribers and viewers, try and keep your body's pH level above 7